Did you know that there's a methodology that can help you do twice the work in half the time? Well, today, we're about to explore the fascinating world of Scrum as we dive into Scrum, the art of doing twice the work in half the time, by Jeff Sutherland and Jay. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. If you're interested in productivity, project management, and boosting your work efficiency, you're in for a treat. Scrum is not just a book, it's a game changer. If you're someone who's passionate about improving productivity and efficiency in your personal and professional life, this book is a must-read. So, what makes Scrum such a gem? Let's take a closer look at what Scrum is all about and how it can transform the way you approach work. Scrum is a project management and product development approach that emphasizes collaboration, adaptability, and transparency. It was originally developed for software development, but its principles can be applied to virtually any field. The book outlines 3 pillars of Scrum: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. These pillars provide the framework for improved productivity and efficiency. By making your work processes transparent, regularly inspecting your progress, and adapting to changes, you can work smarter, not harder. Scrum introduces the Scrum framework, which is divided into several roles, events, and artifacts. Roles include the product owner, Scrum Master, and development team, all working together to maximize productivity. Events like sprint planning and daily stand-up meetings keep everyone on track. The book highlights the numerous benefits of Scrum, from reducing time wasted in unnecessary meetings to enhancing communication among team members. You'll discover how Scrum can streamline your work and help you achieve more in less time. By implementing Scrum, you can expect to see a significant boost in productivity and the quality of your work. It's not just about getting more done, it's about getting the right things done efficiently. Alright, folks, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Scrum, the art of doing twice the work in half the time, is a goldmine for anyone looking to improve their work processes, boost productivity, and achieve more with less stress. If you're tired of the traditional work grind, this book offers a refreshing approach to getting things done. Before we wrap things up, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you found this summary helpful. We've got plenty more book summaries and content on personal and professional development, so don't miss out. And, of course, if you have any book recommendations for future video summaries, feel free to drop them in the comments. In conclusion, Scrum is a must-read for those seeking to optimize their work processes and increase efficiency. If you want to unlock the secret to doing twice the work in half the time, grab a copy of this book and start transforming the way you work. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, remember that with Scrum, you can take charge of your productivity and achieve more with less effort. See you in the next video.